Hello everyone. Let's recapitulate the chapter Climate of India. In this session, you will revise factors influencing India's climate. I have a query from many students. They want that I should explain all these factors in this session. So one by one, I will explain all the factors which influencing India's climate. First is latitude. What is the meaning of latitude? The places situated at lower latitude, example, Kochi and Trivandrampuram are warm throughout the year, while Delhi and Chandigarh, situated at higher latitudes, are warm in summer but cold in winter. So the climate of that particular place depends on the place situated on which latitude. Now come to the next, that is altitude. You know, the higher you go, the cooler it gets. Temperature drops 1 degree Celsius for every 165-meter rise. Therefore, places located at higher altitude remain cooler than places in the plains. Now, again, I will tell you through example, like Shimla and Manali, situated at a height in the Himalayas, are much cooler throughout the year than places in plain like Chandigarh and Lucknow. Next is distance from the sea. The climate of places on the coast is moderated by land and sea breeze that originate due to differential heating and cooling of land and sea. As you know, sea takes lots of time in heating the seawater and it take also lots of time in cooling. Therefore, Kolkata, Chennai, Mangalore, and Trivandrum have an equable, means neither hot nor cold, climate, while places those are far away from the sea like Bhopal, Lucknow, and Jaipur, means those are away from sea, experience an extreme climate, very warm in summers and very cold in winters. So this way, the distance from the sea, the area those are away from the sea, the climate of that areas are extreme, like they are very warm in summer and very cold in winters. Now the next come to know, that is direction of the mountains. A mountains at right angle to the oncoming winds from the sea stops the wind as a barrier and makes them rise, giving orographic rainfall. And the side facing the rain bearing winds is called windward side, and the other side, which remains relatively dry, is called leeward side. Now let's again, I will tell you through example. For example, Mumbai, which lies on the windward side of the Western Ghats, receive heavy rainfall above 200 centimeter, while Pune, which is on the leeward side, which is on the uh, e- leeward side, means this place is on the next angle, like Mumbai is situated a mountain at right angles, and the Pune is next opposite angle. So the Pune, which is on the leeward side, gets less than half of the quantity. The Himalayas to act as major barriers because of their eastward direction. They stop as a barrier, they stop the cold winds from Central Asia. Those are coming from Tibet and Afghanistan area, coming into India, and thus save it from be, uh, becoming a cold deserts. They also do not allow monsoon winds to cross over the Central Asia, which is why we have rain in the entire country. Now the last one is prevailing seasonal winds. During different times of the year, different type of winds blow in India. For example, the summer monsoon winds blowing into India between the month of June and September and bring rainfall to the entire country. Similarly, cold winds from Tibet that at times swept down across the Himalayas in winter suddenly lowered the temperature of places in the plain of North India. These are known as cold waves. I hope you like my video. Thank you very much, and it also help you to understand the concept.